back to the video. And today I'm gonna be working on the pit bike again. I got the plastics installed. Went in and installed those. Pit bike's basically almost done. In today's video, what I'm doing is I'm taking off the rear wheel because it is popped somehow. I tried pumping it up, but like air is coming out of here, and air shouldn't be coming out of there because there's a tube inside. But it should be pretty straightforward. Gonna take pictures of where this at, or don't even touch it right here. Unscrew this bolt, hold it with another wrench here. And then once you get that off, you're gonna unscrew the brake, pull that out. And then the wheel's gonna be kind of hanging. You're gonna take out the chain. I'm probably gonna take out this guard because it might be in the way. So let's get to it. Go ahead and throw on a wrench. There is a spacer on here, right here. So make sure. It gets kind of annoying trying to find random bolts to fit. Put it back on the board. Toss that in there. Then screw it back on so you don't lose anything. Ready? Take that off. Next what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna loosen these a little bit. Just the first one, so it'll be nice and loose. Then before you actually start taking this off, you're gonna want to hit it with a little bit of WD-40. Then you got your socket. This one will fit. Then you want to grab yourself a wrench for the other side to hold it because it's going to be unscrewing. Got one that fits. There's a tire screw. There's the nut. You really want to make sure that you don't lose this or any of this. Make sure to touch the top one because that's what it's set up to be. This guy's gonna screw it back on. Like this. Back there. And then I'm gonna. You wanna make sure which one this dot goes to. This little pin. Mine's on the 1/2/3 one, so go ahead and pull that off. Set that down. I'm also gonna set this nut down. Right here. Okay, so on this side, I got the nut off. I'm gonna loosen a teeny bit. Then I'm gonna grab myself a rubber hammer or a rubber mallet. Get a rubber mallet. And then just start hitting the bolt from the other side. Alrighty. And I want to pick this up, the wheel, just start twisting it out. Start twist. Until it comes out. There we go. I'm gonna go ahead and set this down. Make sure to get dirt on it. This is the main axle. Down. Down in the air. Trying to pump it towards the bike. Remove the chain. Pretty straightforward. And then this is gonna fall off. Put it back right in there. And that's how you take off the tire on a CRF 50F. It's really pretty straightforward. that's how you do it. Thanks for watching.